When you're working with a rotary cutter, you need a couple of different things. You need your rotary mat, you need your clear rotary ruler, and you need your rotary cutter. And of course you need your fabric. A couple of things to keep in mind when you're using the rotary cutter. Only use this rotary cutter on a rotary mat. If you don't, you'll end up with some gouges or cuts into your countertop. This rotary ruler is made transparent for a reason. If I need to cut 3.5 inches, I can line up 3.5 inches from the edge with the edge of my fabric. And since I can see through it, I can line that up exactly. It's important to remember anytime you're using a rotary cutter to always make sure the blade, this black part around the outside, is on anytime you set this down, even if you're just setting it down for a minute. When you're ready to cut, you'll pull back on this lever and that will open the blade. When you use a rotary cutter, just like when you use a knife, you always want to cut away from your body. Always secure your ruler with the hand that you're not cutting with. Keep in mind that I'm keeping my fingers back here on the ruler, not on the edge, so there's no way I could accidentally cut my fingertips. Okay, I'm ready to cut, so I'm releasing the blade. I'm going to push down, and I'm going to push it just once away from me. Okay, and now I'm done, so I automatically put the blade cover back up to set it down. You notice I didn't go back and forth. The reason that's important is going back and forth will create a really ugly edge on your fabric. So now I can move the ruler and pull my piece of fabric away. If I need to cut another square, I'll just line up my ruler, secure my ruler with my fingers, cut once away from my body, recover the blade. And that has cut my squares for me.